Hi guys, Talk Back Tuesday with me, Nancy, and today I'm in this designer tiled shower. I personally love it. It has like this paisley design on the wall. It's very intricate. But what I do want to know is when anyone is picking out tile or looking at tile, do you wonder like who's cleaning these grout lines? Anybody talk back and let me know, comment below, because though I love this and I think it looks so beautiful, I'm just like, who's cleaning this? Because I am not. So I also think that about penny tiles. I always wonder on penny tiles, like I love how they look, but who is cleaning the penny tiles? Because I'm not. So comment below and let me know your thoughts, and I hope everyone is living to smooth.